Hello, good morning. This is breakfast time. These are the ingredients I mostly use for my breakfast. Right here, the first one is soya milk, made from soya. So I put about 200 milliliter inside the blender. And the next one is, of course, we need carbohydrate. So complex carbohydrate, this is oatmeal. So here, Quaker's oatmeal, instant oatmeal. So you can buy the paper box or the can box, can container or paper box. So paper one is cheaper. So I will use this about one. Then I put here, then another one, so about 2 scoops of instant oatmeal. Then I will put this egg, and then 1 banana, and then some green leafy vegetable, which you can eat as salad. Make sure you clean, especially the vegetables, clean well, wash out well, so that you don't have to eat the dangerous bacteria. And then I will put all this vegetable, 1 egg. Sometimes I put two raw eggs, and 1 banana, and 2 scoops of oatmeal, and about 200 to 250 milliliters of soya milk, which you can get easily from supermarkets or stores, grocery stores. And then I just blend them, then I drink. And the breakfast is very complete, and you can make it quickly, and you can finish. You can just swallow quickly, so it saves time, but still is delicious and very healthy and complete breakfast. All right, one more thing here. I have to put the protein powder, and here is the gold standard whey protein, 100% gold standard whey protein. I would put 1 scoop of this whey protein right here. For your breakfast, for everyone, actually, the breakfast should be complete. Like it should have complex carbohydrate and high quality protein, plus you also should have vegetable leafy fibers from vegetable you can get, and you can get banana and the egg, and this way your breakfast will be complete. And after fasting 7-8 hours during the sleep, your body needs a lot of nutrition which to begin your day, and this is what I do every day, and it saves a lot of time, and it is very convenient and also very healthy. You can use this whether you are in off season or whether you are in contest preparation, by changing the quantities a little bit. The soya milk, the soya drink is very thick, so that's why I need to put some water. Okay, all right. Then here, so I will mix up the egg here. On the egg. Here, look at the eggs Taiwan eggs is very yellow, beautiful, and this is very high quality egg. So make sure if you put raw egg or eggs, make sure they are healthy and safe to eat. I know Taiwan eggs are very safe and healthy, so I sometimes put 1 or sometimes 2. Yes. Then the next one is I will put this banana, and this will make my breakfast yummy. And of course you need 1 or 2 bananas every day. Banana makes you happy, healthy, and it has many good nutritions. Then the last item is this salad, this what you call lettuce, green vegetables which you can eat as salad. You have to use that kind of vegetable. Yeah. And I put this, and then here I will cover. Okay, come here in the kitchen. Then you can use any kind of blender as long as it works, as long as it can blend well. So here I just okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna take down and open it. So how beautiful this is. This is complete breakfast for the day to begin, and this will give you strength and the energy to begin your day. And if you like to train in the morning, you take your breakfast 1 hour before you train, and then you will have much strength and the power, and you can train better. Alright, so here you can put in the glass or you can just drink straight, but I just to save time, and I just drink like this. Yummy, very good. Yeah, so try it if you like to be strong, healthy, and happy. Thank you. I'm Dr. Meetei.